Yo guys, welcome to another video. So today we are going to discuss about headphones under 5000 range. We are going to divide the video into types like 5000, 4000, 3000, 2000 and 1000 headphones. First headphones under the 1000 is Philips SHL 3000 and the SHL 5000. The build quality is not that good. You don't expect that. Like in 600 rupees, you don't expect a build quality that great. The comfort level is good. The soundproofing is good. Sound quality is awesome. You don't get that much bass, but you get a lot of treble, and the bass mixture is quite awesome. I've used them. I got them here. I used them for a couple of years. Now is the third year for them. These are ones, and these are really great. The next one that comes in under 2000 we are going is Sony MDR XB450. These are really cool. The ear cups of these are really big, and I guess they give a good soundproofing. On Amazon the reviews are really good, and they are like a decent price of 1860 rupees as of yesterday. The third one is the Skullcandy Uproar S5U RFZ033, and the headphones give a really good sound quality. The bass is awesome. The soundproofing is not that good. You can wear the headphones for at least 5 to 6 hours. Like, the comfort level is so good. I've been using them for a couple of years now. It's the third year I bought them together, and these are ones. So now they have like got a little bit of ripped off, but yes, they still get good quality. And the problem is that the soundproofing is not that great. You can use them when you are at home, like there is not, but while you are traveling or in plane, I generally prefer the Philips one. Then the next one we are going under 5000 price range. I can tell you the best headphones under 5000 price range are Audio Technica and Skullcandy and Sennheiser. These headphones, other than these, don't buy. The Audio Technica ATH-M30X, the Skullcandy S6S CDZ003 and the Sennheiser HD429. These all three are very good looking. You can buy any of the three. There is nothing great. But there is no actually difference about that, but the Audio Technica is the cheapest of them all, and the Sennheiser is like kind of limited. Only you get it is always out of stock. Right now also it's out of stock. Skullcandy is really good in soundproofing at this range. You can go for any of the three. They are really good. Now when it comes to earphones, the best earphones under like 1000 rupees you can get is Philips SHE145BK94. These are really good. I've used them for like couple of days and there was no issues with that. The bass is really good, and yeah, everything is great about them. Then comes the Sennheiser MX170. These are really cool. You get a lot of good quality sound for just 627 rupees. Then comes the JBL T150. They do not have that great bass, but yeah, they really have a good sound quality. Like in all range they give a good sound quality, and they are available at a cost of 1500 only, so you can go with them. Then when you are going under like really supreme sound quality, the Sony MDR XB50 AP and the MDR XB50, both are like same. The difference is like the little bit bass is extra, and yeah, the mic is also there. The price difference between them is like 300 rupees as of now on Amazon. They give a really good sound quality. Then the next one is the Skullcandy. The Skullcandy Method SC-S2 CD. I have used them personally for 2 years as of now, but I sold them. They are really good. The bass is really good. The treble is good. You can use the equalizer very well on them. And then you can like the comfort level or the time that you can spend with the earphones is really great. And when we are coming to really high-end earphones, you can go with the Skullcandy Smoking Buds 2. They are available at the cost of 5000 rupees as of now on Amazon. I checked them yesterday, and they are really good. I did not use them, but the reviews are really great of them. And I would like to recommend some of the earphones or headphones that you should not buy at this price range. One of them is JBL C3SI. They're JBL, but they don't give any kind of sound quality. Don't buy them. It's like a no, just don't buy them. Next is the Sennheiser CX180. Personally use them. Do not buy. Do not buy. Second is the Audio Technica ATH series, like ATH S100 series. Don't buy them. The fake Audio Technica series comes into play. They do not deliver any kind of sound quality. Comfort level is zero, no bass, no treble. It's like nothing. You can just get nothing in a cost of 1600, 1700 if I remember. And then next is Intex Jogger BT headphones. Do not buy them. They give a good bass, but you can only use them for 15 minutes as of heating issues are there. Your ears get heated up, and yeah, just don't use them. Like, it's really bad. The build quality is not that good. They broke in just 20 days. I used them. They broke in 20 days. As of now, the earphones or the headphones I'm using is the iPhone headphones. They are really good. One of the best, not one of the best, they are the best headphones or the earphones I'm using. I got them 25 days ago, and from then I'm not using my headphones nor any other earphones. They come in a really cool packaging. You can see the packaging is real cool. The iPhone things come into play. Yeah, that's the only thing I like about Apple. And thank you. Subscribe for more videos like this. Give a thumbs up, and if you use any kind of earphone or headphone other than these, which are really cool, comment down in the comment section below. Thank you guys. See you later.